Hi, I'm Xenowave, and today I'm going to show you how I made this sound. Okay, so first off, route this Sytrus instance into a mixer track because it'll be very loud. It'll be peaking as you play the sound when you make it, or decrease this volume. Doesn't matter, but just be warned, it will be pretty loud. So okay, in the unison section, we have unison order of 9. Unison for oscillators only turned on. Unison panning is 100%. So is volume, pitch is at 67%, and sublevel is at 0%. Phase is at 78%, and there's no envelope variation either. Feel free to mess with pitch and phase. These are just the settings that I liked, and also the unison. I don't think it matters too much. Let's see. Actually. Yeah, I mean that could work as well. I just liked 9 voices in this case. So over here, all I did was essentially loop this envelope to generate that sidechain effect, that pumping effect. If I turned off this envelope, you'll get this sound, which is it's okay, but I think this envelope makes it way more interesting. So these are just 3 points. The first point is just the loop start. Second point is this one right here, and then the last one is sustain/loop end, and that's the envelope. And what I'm doing here is in the oscillator tab, I just drew these harmonics. I wanted to have something reminiscent of a saw wave, because saw wave and harmonics looks like this. So I did that, and I just adjusted the tension, the skew, and the sign shaper to my liking. And that's it for the operator section. In the filter section, this is just a default chocolate state variable filter. No adjustments here at all. It's just the wave shaper turned on, and it's serialized into filter 2. There's also the chocolate state variable. I have high quality turned on, and it is on triple mode. And then for the effects, I actually copied this volume envelope, and the way you do that is you click on this point here and click on copy state, or just press C, and then do the same thing over here on this volume envelope and press P or press paste state. Oh, I will note I also press the tempo tab so that it's on time. So if I get rid of this, or let's do that. Yeah. So we have these 16th notes, like any musical grid. So this is 1 E and then that's beat 1 right there. So this right here, this means make the volume go up in this span of a quarter note. So now if I were to speed up the volume, it would just lock to that BPM. So yeah, that's important to note. So make sure that's also turned on for the effects and any other envelope you may have on. So okay, I have default chorus and I have default reverb, but feel free to adjust those as you'd like. I'm surprised I didn't put on delay actually. Let's see. Yeah, I mean that's fine. But yeah, feel free to play with the sound. It's pretty fun in my opinion. And yeah, that's it. Have a good day. If you have any questions, just let me know. Bye-bye.